prevention, recovery. These are the philosophies of the farm sa Barangay Tipacan, Lipa, Batangas. Kaya naman lahat ng taong gustong pumunta dito, they should undergo a series of tests before simulan ang mga treatment. The blood analysis test is one of them. At ang unang sumabak, si Panyero Jason. Bakit parang namumutla ka yata?
Kumusta ang tulog mo?
Okay naman po.
When you wake up okay?
Hindi.
Kasi, di ba naalala niyo sa'yo dapat walang puti sa gitna? Halos lahat ng red blood cells mo. Puti sa gitna. Ano yung mga reasons na hindi na-absorb yung nutrients? Pwedeng sobrang daming toxins sa katawan. Smoking, lifestyle. So yung receptors for the vitamins and minerals, nakabara. So here at the farm, sometimes we have patients who've been taking ilang milligrams of medicine. And when they go through a detox program, the medicine will have a lower dosage because their receptors can now absorb both the nutrients and the medicine. So hindi na kailangan ito ng medicine.
Sabi ko na sa iyo you should have at least 8 hours of sleep, Panyerong Jason. After Panyero, ako naman ang sumunod, and the blood analysis revealed a lot.
This kind of blood, dehydration is one, but the way your blood spread becomes hindi dehydration. Next, two things that you have to consider would be acidity. Acidity is one. The other thing is lack of enzymes. And enzymes you get from fresh food. One way to help you is to take fresh. Okay, papaya, especially raw, green papaya.
Dahil na rin sa aming daily routine, medyo may mga nakitang hindi maganda sa aming dugo. Nothing major though, and nothing that a healthy trip to the farm cannot remedy. Due to the farm's relaxing ambience, relax na relax si Nikki.
How do you nourish your skin?
No, I don't ever know. Even though I exercise a lot, walang
side.
no.
Kasi that's another thing that for example, I have a patient who have a heart condition and he doesn't feel the pain. I'll be more careful with this patient who doesn't feel the pain because he doesn't know where to start. It's like, first degree, second degree, third degree burn. First degree burn is sunburn. Parang it's uncomfortable but it's tolerable.
Nikki, defensive? Kaya nga we're all here to relax, to unwind, to decompress, and to detox. After the blood analysis, simula na ng aming activities. Una, the 5-course meal. May stay kaya sa main course?
Diba Jason, sa committee, yun na nalaman natin yung mga not so good news about our system, diba? At part of their wellness program dito mismo sa the farm ay ang pag-serve ng mga meals na good for the body.
Lumipas ang first course, second course. Main course na yata, wala pang steak. Baka sa dessert, no meat at all. But you know what? Nobody even complained. After the sumptuous 5-course meatless meal, it's time for the other activities. Itong si Nikki, very upbeat after learning that we go through a yoga session. Good luck! Aba Nikki, seryosong-seryoso ka ha?
What does yoga do to your body?
Yoga to the body? Well, it integrates the body, the mind, through the breath. That's why you cannot call it yoga without the breath, without the inhalations and exhalations. Those are very important.
Si Panyerong Jason, masyado na raw madali ang yoga para sa kanya, kaya susubukan daw niya ang aqua aerobics.
Kasama ko ngayon si Doc Ferdinand na magbibigay pa ng konting kaalaman sa akin tungkol dito sa aqua aerobics. What is it all about? Begin with.
Ang aqua aerobics is also known as hydro aerobics. Basically, it's exercises. Some same exercises done outside already ginagawa inside the water. Now, ginagawa natin po because we're utilizing the properties of water like resistance. So nandyan siya all over on the right. The water also helps you flow. So in a way, you are virtually 90% weightless inside the resort. So kung yung mga pasyente namin dito na may problem sa joints nila or sometimes ayaw lang talagang gumalaw, nag-hydroaerobic sa mga aqua exercise so that they don't feel that they're exercising but they're reaping the benefits of
Si Panyerong Jason, serious na serious. The experience of the farm is more than just relaxing. It taught us a lot as well, most especially when it comes to health concerns. Kaya it's one of the places here in Lipa, Batangas, or in the whole Philippines for that matter, that you shouldn't miss. After the all-natural and calming activities of the farm, we changed gears and head to the Malarayat Country Club.
Mount Malarayat po kami ngayon sa Golf and Country Club na kung saan nga po, dito po sa Batangas, o sa Pacific, ito po ang pinagmamalaki ko natin. Then, pag narito ka, sasabihin mo, ito ang buhay. Katulad ko sa social.
Talaga?
Yes.
Alam ko yung Mount Malarayat ay meron pa ibang meron pa ibang
Aside sa pag-golf,
yeah. Narinig ko ay yung Mount Malarayat. Nagpo-protect din sa Lipa, di ba?
asan pa, nagpo-protect
Diba? Dahil daw, isa yun sa isang mundo na nag-protect sa Lipa. Kasi typhoon.
typhoon. Kasi itong Mount Malarayat kasi Mount, sabi nga nila, yan isang Mount. Kaya ang Mount Malarayat. Dahil siya pa talaga pumoprotect na po sa mga malalakas sa hangin, sa mga bagyo po, na pumupunta po dito sa Lipa. Kaya ang gagawin natin ngayon, ako naman talagang Batanggay. Papasyal kita rin.
Talaga?
Oo. Pararanasan ko kung ano talagang sumi na buhay. Ng isang taong sosyal. Tara!
Mount Malarayat Golf and Country Club in Residential Estates is a residential golf resort community. The concept behind the club is a place where you can stay and relax and live in a resort type of environment where it's fresh air, coupled with a golf course surrounding the residential houses, at the same time having a complete resort and country club facility.
First stop, the Country Club. Ooh, paengit mo na one of these, ha? Is that your best FN Bata Reyes impersonation? The Country Club's highlights, of course, is its world-class golf course. This 27-hole championship golf course offers a unique golfing experience all year round. After a full activity of exciting activities, the Malarayat Hotel hampers its active and sports-minded guests. For those looking for a more laid-back outdoorsy atmosphere, the Inns at Malarayat is the ideal choice for you. Of course, the presidential suite speaks for itself. Mount Malarayat doesn't have the monopoly of giving the tourists a good night's sleep. Right in the heart of the city capital is the La Corona de Lipa.
Dito sa Hotel La Corona de Lipa, actually, kami ang pioneer ng mga entertainment scene dito. So we started the whole club scene here in Lipa. Because basically here in Lipa, there's nothing to go, there's nothing to hang out. So a lot of call center agents hangs out here. So I started the whole music laban here in Batangas, supporting all the underground movements. Not only that, but also other genre like hip hop and R&B, jazz and bossa nova. And the good thing about here,